Attention, if you have a mortgage and offer two properties as collateral, it's even possible that you're not aware of it, because we've had a case with a client who came to sell a property and, upon requesting the land registry extract, it turned out that the property was mortgaged as secondary collateral for a mortgage on another property. This was done many years ago. He didn't remember, or says he didn't remember, that the bank representative told him it wasn't a problem, that it could be canceled later and he'd be able to sell the house without issue. Well, that's not how it works. You need to be clear that the mortgage fully applies to each of the properties until it is canceled. Even if you're paying off the loan until it is canceled, it still applies in full, unless a mortgage division has been done. But of course, for all this, it's very important that you understand the mortgage deed. And if not, consult someone with expertise. You can consult us. We handle these types of inquiries at 6930-23926 at +34 if contacting from outside Spain via WhatsApp and video call for a very small fee, because this is extremely important, so that when you go to buy a property with a loan secured by a mortgage, you make sure that the mortgage guarantee, the guarantee for the loan, is only the property you're purchasing. And if they ask you for another property as collateral in order to grant that loan, ask them to divide the mortgage so that you can sell that other property later as you pay off the loan. All of this is key, and don't rely on what the bank representative tells you, because the bank representative can say whatever they like, but it must be written, and written in the deed. In the mortgage deed, because let's remember that a mortgage is a right to execute the value of the collateral requested by the lender in order to grant you the loan. The lender says, "I'll grant you a loan," and you, as a guarantee of repayment of that loan, will provide this collateral, which is usually a house, but they may ask for another guarantee or a guarantor. And be careful, because all this is regulated by the mortgage law in Articles 122, 123, and 124. So, for any doubts you may have, as we always say, contact us. We'll be happy to help. Best wishes and have a great day.